have a good day to all of you. Welcome to Focus Asia with me, Calvina. The Balloon Museum is bringing its renowned pop art is Inflatable exhibition to Singapore for the first time. Running from June 7 to August 31, 2025 at the Sands Expo and Convention Centre in Marina Bay Sands. This immersive showcase features over 17 large-scale inflatable installations by international artists, transforming more than 6,000 square meters into a vibrant, interactive art space. Visitors can engage with captivating artworks such as Cyril Lansley's geometric structures, Karina Smigla-Popinski's self-generating PVC spheres (ADA), and Hyper Studio's expansive Hyper Cosmo installation, which blend latex balloon with kinetic lights and video projections. The exhibition also includes interactive pieces like Anna's Spiritus Sonata, which combines wind instrument and inflatable forms to create a multi-sensory experience. Tickets are priced at 45 Singapore dollars for adult and 35 Singapore dollar for children on weekdays, with weekend rates at 60 Singapore dollars and 45 Singapore dollars respectively. Family packages are also available. The exhibition operates daily with varying hours throughout its run. Attendees are encouraged to purchase tickets in advance to secure their preferred time slots and fully immerse themselves in this unique artistic experience.